Hello, in this video we are going to learn about the arrays in LabVIEW, how arrays are used. First of all, I'd like to make all understand that arrays are simply vector values in a series. Simple as that, right? And that is what we are going to apply to the same mathematical functions that we did previously. Just like that, we'll select the same functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and a few more to make us understand more about arrays. Okay, let us start. Let us take addition. We'll select subtraction, select just like that, multiplication and division as well. Okay, let us create a control, right? We are going to change this control into array. Brilliant, because we are going to give values in the form of arrays. We are not going to give just one value for each. We are going to give multiple values, and for that we require an array. Okay, it will automatically select array because array is add to array, right? It could be control, but I mean that is not required by us right now. Okay, does this just like that? We'll simply do that. I guess you guys already know about that. Simply have to just take the values. Simply just to do our wiring a bit clean. Okay, okay, let us have output here, and output would automatically be selected an array output. It won't be a singular output. Okay, see, simple, quite simple, right? Right now we are just doing some basics and we'll eventually move to advanced levels. I'll also post some projects as well. It will be software based projects as well as I'll use microcontroller with it as well. It will be some hardware projects. It will be quite fun. LabVIEW is quite fun. Okay, okay. Let us go to our palette. Okay, we'll bring these guys here. Oh, okay. First, let us bring Y here. Then X here. Okay, we'll do the same with these. We'll have to make it a bit clear, bit aesthetically acceptable. Okay, here. Okay, okay, okay. So simple. We'll select multiple values. How? We could select like this. Mm, wait. Selection of it, man. Okay. So we have four values of X and we have four values of Y, right? Now assuming I am selecting as 23, 3, okay, so 4, it's 1, it's 34, it's 5. You know the drill, I say. You know what will happen further. We'll simply run it and we'll see values in array. Each array will perform to its parallel value. Like the first one will perform with the first one, all the functions. Okay. Everyone will have hold four values each. Four inputs, so four outputs. Okay. Let's run it. Let's see what will happen. Okay. So 23 plus 3, 26. 23 into 3, 69, and so on and so forth. Simply, that's how we use arrays in LabVIEW actually. Okay. So brilliant. Now let us perform some different tasks in array. Let us assume we have add array elements. What does it do? Selects only one array, so let us select X in it. Okay. So indicator sum. Okay. Sum. What does sum do? Let us see. See what's it doing. Okay, so it's adding all the elements of array. It's 23 plus 4 plus 34 plus 7. So a large sum. And if you want to add each, because when we do iterations, when we learn loops, when we do larger commands, this might come in handy to sum each iteration. Okay, any other? Okay, it's okay. What we got? It's multiplication. You guys know the drill, but let us do this. Let's do this. Okay, okay. Create indicator. Brilliant. So it'll give us the product. Okay, quite large number. Well, obviously, brilliant. Let us perform something more with our arrays. Okay, let us see about array size. It is going to tell us about our array size, or is it? Okay, okay. What does it tell? Size. Brilliant. So here it is. So what is our array size? Actually, it is 4, so it should give 4 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. It means 4 elements of different weights. Okay, so it did. Any other? Let's assume we could do indexing of arrays as well. We could simply, so this is our array. This is our index. Create a control. Okay, this is our output. Okay, element. Okay, create indicator. Brilliant. Okay, okay. So index and element. So we have selected X array. Yeah, you shall remember this X array. Now, this is the zeroth element, just like in any other programming language. This is the zeroth element. This is first element, second element, third, and so on and so forth. If we have further elements, assuming I am selecting number 2, which is 34, right? So when I here type 2, it should give us element 34, which it does. Okay, so this is all about, not all about array, but something about array, right? You could play further, you could enjoy arrays, and we are going to use these all commands in next upcoming lectures or next upcoming projects. I'm going to record some projects as well in which almost these things are used further, but this is to give you the basic idea of how the arrays are actually used. Okay, bye bye.